What do you do when you're faced with a design challenge? Do you reach for the tools that have been trusted for decades? Do you look for the latest in technology? With AutoCAD, you get both. Accelerate your processes and seamlessly share your vision with innovations designed to unlock your creative potential. AutoCAD is tailored for your business, offering organizations the ability to customize for their industries through 7 specialized toolsets, Lisp, APIs, and third-party apps on the Autodesk App Store. Leverage the power of machine learning and automation to work faster than ever before, all while staying on schedule and on budget. AutoCAD works for you the way you work. Experience truly connected design from Autodesk's ecosystem of industry-leading design and technology partners. Use AutoCAD with other Autodesk products, including Revit, Civil 3D, and Inventor. With AutoCAD Web, empower a cohort of collaborators to effectively communicate ideas with peers and stakeholders on the go. Whether it's knowing that your contributions are being protected on foundational standards of the DWG, or you're looking to unlock the latest CAD insights and design automation technology, AutoCAD helps you address the design challenges of today and tomorrow. AutoCAD. Trusted by millions.